cooking meals has become more of a to-do list item. And it's not something that I always look forward to every day, which is why I love the Cooking Light diet and why I've always been such a big fan of it. I love that it uses real food, real ingredients, but also ones that I can find down here. I'm in Alabama. So if I can find these ingredients in the grocery store in Alabama, pretty much I think you can find them across the country. So they use real ingredients, real food, but they also incorporate simple hacks and tricks to make preparation simple, make meals come together quicker. One of the things I love about the Cooking Light diet is that no foods are off limits. There are not good foods and bad foods. There are foods that we definitely need to eat more of, and there are foods that we definitely need to eat less of. But nothing's off limits. There's no food you can't have. And I feel like the Cooking Light diet is one diet that's unique in that it fully embraces that. If you want a recipe for macaroni and cheese, Cooking Light diet is going to find you one and give you one. If you want chicken enchiladas, anything you want, you can find it. And I love that Cooking Light makes it so easy to incorporate all foods that you love and all dishes.
I think one of the biggest things too with the Cooking Light diet is that time after work now is just such a great way to relax. I've always liked cooking. It's definitely a diet for people who like cooking. And we get to spend that time in the kitchen and talking about our day. And, he's a great sous chef. He helps chop, prep, just keep me company. It's just been really easy to integrate into our day-to-day. And really, I think it's made it easier.
As it was designed, was involved in the design process. It's designed to be a plan. It takes into account some of your health statistics, like your height and your weight and your goals. It takes into account your dietary preferences and any food allergens. And then it generates a suggested meal plan. This is really helpful for people who may have certain dietary preferences or intolerances, like maybe they need a dairy-free diet or a gluten-free diet. You can even create a favorites list if you have favorite recipes that your family loves and you want to make sure these get incorporated more. You can star those. You can make a note to say, we don't like this one. Don't have this one pop up anymore.
To find out more about the meal plan, tricks and tips for fixing some great tasting meals, go to cookinglightdiet.com.
The Cooking Light diet is produced by the parent company of this station, the Meredith Corporation.